What's going on, everybody? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. You already know I love Corvettes. This is nothing new, but today I'm gonna go ahead and do a C6 Z06 ride along, and this is gonna be real interesting. Check it out. I want to introduce you to somebody. This is Garrett, and this is his C6 Z06. All right, Garrett, I want to ask you a few questions. What got you in the Corvette? Why you like Chevy products? Like, what sparked your interest in liking Corvettes?
I like all cars. I like the C6 platform. It's lightweight, high output, naturally aspirated engine. It's kind of the best option if you want those things in any package.
And especially, I remember when these came out back in '06. That right there, you talking about naturally aspirated, lightweight, a little bit of carbon fiber, fixed roof. That right there, man, that's one of the best handling setups that GM ever done, especially with the LS7.
Yeah.
So, all right, Gary, I know this is not a stock LS7. I know there's some work done to this. So, can you tell me more what was done to this engine?
Sure. I bought it stock in 2020, so it was bone stock. Of course, the catback exhaust was the only modification. I sent it to a group called Race Proven Motorsports in Delaware. They did what they call their Stage 4 heads cam intake package. It's got ported and polished and milled stock casting heads, long tube headers, off-road H-pipe. It's a MSD intake.
Okay, Garrett, besides the engine modifications, I noticed you got a carbon fiber hood, and I know this was optional on the 2011, of course, through 2013 C6 Z06 with the Z07 package.
Yeah.
And I can imagine why you got this hood, because you want the lighter weight. And then I see you got an aggressive tire setup back there, a 325, and these are 18s. And I like these BC forged wheels you got there, just to give it, help you get the power down.
Yeah,
awesome. Mickey Thompson.
Spinning and winning.
No, it's not. I'd rather for you to put the power down instead of to do a fat burnout. There you go, right there. Garrett, I appreciate you giving me a ride on your C6 Z06. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
My first time doing a ride along of a C6 Z06. I've been trying to do this for a while, but I appreciate you taking the time to do this for me. I really greatly appreciate that. that car, you know, the momentum to move pretty quick. But after that, you know, once you up in the airplane, kind of falls on his face, pretty much. C6 Z06. This a one bad car right here. Garrett, that was a wild ride. I appreciate you giving me a ride along your C6 Z06 today. I had a wonderful time. I appreciate you sharing me your backstory behind the car. This car, man, I remember, like I said, I remember when they first came out, they were just ahead of its time. That LS7 is tried and true, man. But all right, everybody, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo.